Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the godly lucky egg in Plant versus Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just obtained the godly lucky egg, and basically it can give you a godly brain rot, and you just need to hold it on your hands and you can click anywhere to open the egg. Okay, and let's see what we'll get. Okay, I got that brain rot. And if you want to get this godly lucky egg, you just need to wait for the chance. It will appear right here, and you just need to bet the godly lucky egg just like the other brain rot. And yeah, it will give you the godly brain rot. And of course, if you have better planned, it will increase your possibility to get the godly lucky egg. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the godly lucky egg in Plant vs Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!